Welcome back to our channel, and today let's take a look at the top 50 B schools in India with their average placements, fee structure, exams accepted and their cutoffs. Top on the list, IIM Ahmedabad is the dream college for all the MBA aspirants there, with an average placement of 26.13 lakhs per annum. CAT is the entrance exam accepted here, and the cutoff for CAT is 95 to 99 percentile, and this goes more or less depending upon how strong the profile is. And the fee structure is 23 lakhs for 2 years. IIM Bangalore with an average placement of 24.54 lakhs per annum. CAT is the only exam accepted here, and the cutoff is 95 to 99 percentile, and this also goes more or less depending upon the profile, and the fee structure is 23 lakhs for 2 years. FMS Delhi with an average placement of 25.6 lakhs per annum, and CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 98.5 to 99 percentile, and the fee structure is just 2 lakhs. IIM Calcutta with an average placements of 25.40, and the CAT is the only exam accepted here, and the cutoff is also based on the profile. Fee structure here is 21 lakhs. IIM Lucknow with an average placement of 24.25 lakhs per annum. CAT exam is accepted here, and the cutoff is 98 to 99 percentile. If your profile is strong enough, that can even go to 90 percentile. And the fee structure is 15 lakhs for 2 years. XLRI Jamshedpur with an average placement of 24.3 lakhs per annum. XAT is the exam accepted here, and 96 percentile and above is the cutoff for this college, and the fee structure is 24 lakhs. JBMS Mumbai with an average placement of 20.13 lakhs per annum, and the exam accepted is CAT, CMAT and MAHCET with a cutoff of 99.9 percentile, and nearly 85% of the seats are reserved for the people in Maharashtra with a fee structure of 6 lakhs. IIM Kozhikode with an average placement of 23.08, and the CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 96 to 97 percentile, and that goes more or less based on the profile, and the fee structure is 17.5 lakhs. SP Jain Mumbai with an average placement of 25 to 26 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is CAT, XAT and GMAT. And here, the admission process is done based on 2 criteria. One is based on the entrance exam and the other is based on the profile. For the entrance exam, you need to have 95 to 96 percentile, and for the profile based, you need to have 85 percentile in the entrance exam. And the fee structure for this college is 18 lakhs. MTI Gurgaon with the average placement of 22.05. And the exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 97 and above percentile, and the fee structure here is 24.4 lakhs. IIM Indore. The average placement is around 22.92 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here, and the cutoff is around 98 to 99 percentile, and if your profile is strong, that can even come to 93 to 94 percentile. The fee structure is 16 lakhs. IIFT Delhi with an average placement of 18.41 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is IIFT, and the cutoff is 138 marks out of 300, and the fee structure here is 16 lakhs. NITI Mumbai with an average placement of 20.88 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here, and with a cutoff of 97 percentile. The fee structure is 13 lakhs. IIT Bombay with an average placement of 20.08. Exam accepted is CAT with a cutoff of 98 to 99 percentile. If your profile is good, that can even go to 90 percentile with a fee structure of 8.30 lakhs. NMIMS Mumbai with an average placement of 17.79 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is NMAT. We need to score 210 marks and above to get into this college. The fee structure is 19.76 lakhs. IIM Ranchi with an average placement of 15.02 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here, and the cutoff is 95 percentile and above, and the fee structure here is 15.3 lakhs. IIM Trichy with an average placement of 14.91 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here, and the cutoff is 95 percentile and above. Fee structure is 13 lakhs. IIT Delhi with an average placement of 22.29 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 97 to 98 percentile. If your profile is strong, they can also accept for 90 percentile with a fee structure of 9.6 lakhs. SIBM Pune with an average placement of 20.27 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is SNAP with a cutoff of 98.5 percentile, and the fee structure is 20 lakhs. SEM HRD Pune with an average placement of 13.24 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is NAP with a cutoff of 96 percentile and above, and the fee structure here is 17.43 lakhs. TISS Mumbai. The average placement is 20.06 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is TISS Net. We need to score 74 marks out of 100 here. The fees is 2.17 lakhs for 2 years. IIM Raipur. The average placement is 14.53 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is CAT. We need to score 95 percentile and above. The fee structure is 14.20 lakhs. IIM Rohtak. With an average placement of 12 lakhs per annum. Entrance exam accepted is CAT with a cutoff of 95 percentile with a fee structure of 15.02 lakhs. IIM Udaipur with an average placement of 13.20 and the CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 95 percentile and the fee structure is 14 lakhs. IIM Kashipur with an average placement of 12.24 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 90 percentile and the fee structure is 9.5 lakhs. IMT Ghaziabad with an average placement of 12.5 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is CAT, ZAT and GMAT. The cutoff is 90 percentile and the fee structure is 17.5 lakhs. IMI Delhi. The average placement is 13.03 and the exam accepted is CAT with a cutoff of 88 percentile and above and the fee structure is 17.68 lakhs. XIMB Bhubaneswar with an average placement of 15.42 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is CAT, ZAT, GMAT and XGMT and the cutoff is 90 percentile with a fee structure of 19 lakhs. IIT Roorkee with an average placement of 10.33 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 94 percentile and the fee structure is 10.5 lakhs. IIT Madras with an average placement of 12.4 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 96 percentile and the fee structure is 8 lakhs. IISc Bangalore with an average placement of 24.1 and the exam accepted here is CAT, GMAT and GATE with a cutoff of 95.5 percentile and the fee structure is 1.67 lakhs. IIT Kanpur with an average placement of 10.48 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 95 percentile and the fee structure is just 1 lakh. IIT Kharagpur with an average placement of 18.1 lakhs and the exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 90 percentile and the fee structure is 11.5 lakhs. Signum Mumbai with an average placement of 10.97 lakhs per annum and the exam accepted here is CAT, CMAT and MAHCET. The cutoff is 99.2 to 99.5 percentile in CET exam and the fee structure is 1.5 lakhs. IRMA Gujarat with an average placement of 14.24 lakhs per annum and the exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 80 to 85 percentile and the fee structure is 9.54 lakhs. Goa Institute of Management with an average placement of 11.4 lakhs per annum. The entrance exam accepted here is CAT, ZAT and CMAT. The cutoff is 85 percentile with a fee structure of 9.8 lakhs. Great Lakes Chennai with an average placement of 13.1 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is CAT and ZAT with a cutoff of 85 percentile and the fee structure is 15 lakhs. IIM Jammu with the average placement of 10.15 lakhs per annum and the exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 95 percentile and if your profile is strong that can also go to 90 percentile with a fee structure of 12.91 lakhs. IIM Sirmaur with an average placement of 12 lakhs per annum. Entrance exam accepted is CAT with a cutoff of 95 percentile and with a fee structure of 10.34 lakhs. IIM Nagpur with an average placement of 12.35 lakhs per annum and the exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 90 percentile and the fee structure is 11.50 lakhs. IIM Visakhapatnam with an average placement of 12.61 lakhs per annum and the exam accepted here is CAT with a cutoff of 90 percentile and the fee structure is 10.5 lakhs. IIM Bodh Gaya with an average placement of 10.6 lakhs per annum and CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 95 percentile and the fee structure is 11 lakhs. DFS Delhi with an average placement of 12.05 and CAT is the entrance exam accepted here and the cutoff is 95 to 96 percentile and the the fees is just 50,000. Delhi School of Economics with an average placement of 9 lakhs. CAT is the exam accepted here with an overall cutoff of 93 to 94 percentile and the fee structure is just 30,000. KJ Somaya with an average placement of 9.19 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is CAT, ZAT, MAHCET and CMAT with a cutoff of 86 percentile and the fee structure is 11.93 lakhs. UBS Chandigarh with an average placement of 9 lakhs per annum and the entrance exam is CAT with a cutoff of 90 to 92 percentile and the fee structure is just 50,000. Wellinkar with an average placement of 8 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted is CAT, ZAT, CMAT, ATMA and MAHCET. The cutoff is 80 percentile and the fee structure is 9 lakhs. 4. With an average placement of 10.5 lakhs per annum. Exam accepted here is CAT and ZAT. The cutoff is 85 percentile and the fee structure is 15 lakhs. LBS IM with an average placement of 9.2 lakhs per annum. CAT and GMAT are the exams accepted here with a cutoff of 85 percentile and the fee structure is 10 lakhs. Nirma with an average placement of 8.15 lakhs per annum. CAT is the exam accepted here with a cutoff of 75 to 80 percentile and the fee structure is 4.76 lakhs. For more related videos and knowledgeable content, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates from us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends and family. Thank you.